Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the String.TrimStart method. So if you guys know what trim does is it removes that white spaces, but in the case of trim.start it removes only the space from beginnings. It's not just only white spaces, it will also tabs, every useless things which you don't need, I guess. So what we need to do is create a string called hello world and use the trim start. So when we do that, it's gonna remove the start, I mean beginning, the spaces from the beginning, even though it can sustain the middle one and the end one. So this is what it does. It's as simple as that, nothing more about it. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.